Let's make potato pulav in a pressure cooker. Start by heating oil and adding mustard seeds, cumin, turmeric and curry leaves. Now add the whole spices, crushed garlic, star anise, peppercorns, cloves and cinnamon. Add chopped onion, tomato and green chili. Next goes the diced potato. Time for the ground spices, coriander powder, Kashmiri chili and garam masala. Add the soaked rice. Pour in water, add salt, fresh cilantro and a spoon of ghee. Close the cooker and let it whistle 3 times. Let it cool down before opening. Your potato pulav is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.